Bear. Bear.
Thanks for bringing it in, Melvin. I'd love to
Oh,
just about
oh, don't drop your bear. Want your bear? Oh. No, you just dropped him. You're so cute. Oh, dropped it. Dropped it.
So I asked my buddy Drew to come on down, help me out.
Oh, there you go.
We have persons in hiding. And it's supposedly not bad. Okay. My favorite part of my job is like a whodunit every day.
You're so funny. Cheese. Cheese. You're so cute. Cheese. Cheese. He dropped it. Here you go. Oh, you dropped it. There you go. Are you excited? He dropped it. He dropped it again. Cheese. Cheese. You're so fast. Yeah, you're gonna put your clothes up there on the table?
I'm going to say $300-400.
Oh, pull them off.
Thanks, Drew.
I was disappointed because I really think it is worth more. It's a part of history.
You naked girl.
She's so cute. She's so happy. I've never seen her this happy before. Look at her.
You know,
She's so happy.
I don't know. I'm still
Don't get by that. That's hot.
400. Now you do have it confirmed. It's his signature.
Cheese. He's so cute. Wow, you're so excited.
Okay. I'll go 275.
Cheese. You're so cute. Are you playing with your clothes? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You're so happy. Tomorrow's New Year's. 2013. Cheese. Wow, I've never seen you this excited. Wow. Oh, you dropped it. Don't lean over. Mama will get it. There you go. Okay, okay. There you go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I've never seen you that happy before. Never. Oh my goodness. Wow. You watching TV now? Distractions. Hi. Oh my goodness. You were just happy. Oh my goodness. You're freaking out. Daddy. Daddy.
She okay?
She was just talking and as happy as no telling what.
No bugs.
I've never seen her this happy. Dropped it, she says.
Ma. Ma.
She's so excited.
Ma.
Oh my goodness, you were a trip, darling. Cheese. so excited.
These are literally the most famous outlaws of the West, period. These are the quintessential outlaw.
You gonna go in the bedroom? You can't get very far.
It would surprise me
It's kid proof.
as the cowboy version of Robin Hood, even with bounties on their heads.
Backing up. Huh? What? Do. 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 What? Did you drop? You dropped it? Okay. Here. You're so cute. Cheese. 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 Did Santa come to see you for Christmas? Santa? Yeah, Santa came to see you. Santa. Yeah. Santa. Where's Santa, huh? He's in your box over there, your toy box. You gonna go get your box? Santa's in your toy box. Yeah, go check him out. See if you can find him. Yeah, box. Toy box. Toy box. Go find Santa. There's your bear. Bear. Oh. Bear. Bear. Oh, he dropped him. Okay, I'll go get him. Bear. No, you don't want the bear? Oh, you want to kiss him? Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, wee, how sweet. Such a sweetheart. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, you hugging him too? That's so sweet. I love you. Oh, you just want to hug your bear, huh? Mama got that for you Christmas. Huh? Done? 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 Thank you. Oh, you want to kiss him first? Oh, you're so sweet. Ollie. You're growing up so fast. Oh. Oh, he's so sweet. Oh, are you hugging him? You hugging the bear? Oh, wait. You're so sweet. This is gotta be the sweetest video I've ever taken of her. Oh, done? Done? You want Mama to hug him? Thank you. Oh, Mommy's gonna hug him. Oh, wee. Mwah. You wanna kiss him? Oh, he's so sweet. Oh, wee. Where's Santa? Let's look for Santa in your toy box. He's in here somewhere. There he is. Santa. Santa. Oh, he's so sweet. You want to hold Santa? Give Santa a hug. Oh, wait, you kissing him, Santa? Done? Okay, thank you. What else is in there, huh? Tweety. That's Tweety. Tweety. Yeah, good job. You learned that new word yesterday. Tweety. Tweety. That's Tweety. Tweety. Oh, you're so sweet. Tweety. Tweety. Oh my goodness. You were so excited today. Happy. Oh my goodness. Tweety. Tweety. Yeah, good job. You're so smart. You're so smart. Yeah. You're a year and 3 months old. What do you want, the kitty? Kitty. That's the Chinese or Japanese kitty. Oh, yeah, is that your stuffed animals? Tweety and Kitty. Kitty. Oh, you're so cute. No, you dropped Tweety. Kitty. Oh, you love your kitty, huh? What else do you got? Hmm? What's else? What else is in there? You want Mom to get you something? What? This? Is that what you want? That's a princess dress. Princess dress. Princess dress. Done? Okay. We'll put that one back. Kitty. Let's put your bear in there too. And then your Santa in there. Yeah. Good girl. Santa. Oh, yeah. Bear. You just want to throw him on the floor, huh? That's nice. Making a mess, huh? You like making a mess. You dropped it. Done? Okay, what else do you want? You want your doggy? Doggy! Woof, woof. Doggy. Oh, you're hugging his butt. He's so cute. Give doggy a kiss. Give. Oh. Mwah. You want to kiss that? Cheese. Cheese. You're so cute. Okay, all done. All done. Let's stop it.